Bonjour mes étudiants. Aujourd'hui, on va apprendre le temps subjonctif. Let's quickly learn the tense subjonctive. Whenever you learn any new tense in French, there are two things to keep in mind. One is the usage of the tense, and next thing is the conjugation. So let's see. This is a kind of present tense. But why is it different from present tense? Because au présent, which simply make a sentence. Il fait beau aujourd'hui. It's beautiful today. Okay? Generally, there is only one subject pronoun. But in subjunctive, there are always two different subject pronouns. Il y a toujours deux pronoms sujets. Okay? This tense is also used for various purposes like likes and dislikes, when you want to express your fear, when you want to express any doubt. So in that case also we use this tense. And how we make this in tense of subjunctive? I am afraid. Okay, I am afraid. I is one subject pronoun. That she will not come. So I'm afraid that she will not come. One subject pronoun is I, and the next subject pronoun is she. Okay, so the pronoun sujet, and in between we have joined these two subject pronouns with the help of the word que. With the help of the word que. So I'm afraid that she will not come. And let's see, so this is about the usage of this tense. Let's see how do we conjugate it. Par exemple, if we see the verb parler, and you need to take this verb in present tense, présent. Présent. How do you conjugate it? Il, elle, parle. Just cut this, and they, and add a, s, a, eons, eoz, and an, they. Can you see something? How are we putting these endings? Can you see something? Avec je, tu, il, elle, and il in pluriel, it's the endings of the verb er. And with nous and vous, it is imparfait. Très bien. So it's somewhat the endings are a mixture of present tense and imparfait. So this is something that happens with the regular verbs. Now, in French, there are always a lot of exceptions. So with the exceptions, of course, there are times when we write, different endings, and there are times when we just have to, learn the first word and we follow these endings. So let's see. On va commencer avec le verbe être. It's always majority of the time exceptions in all the tenses. So avec je, soit, s. The word is soit, ss, and here it is te. So the endings are not like this, the way we've written, okay? It's different. Soit, soit, avec te. Nous and vous, there is something that you need to remember in this tense, subjunctive. Nous and vous, majority of the time, will almost take the similar pattern, okay? Similar pattern as in with nous and vous, it is soyons, soyez. So you can notice something that with nous and vous, I have written y. And in all of them, it is SOI. So SOI, N, te. Ça va, soit, soyons, soyez, soit, il faut noter. Okay, note it down. So what did we do till now? Subjunctive, kind of present tense, used with likes, dislikes, fear, doubt, obligation, always two different subject pronouns, and the word que is always there in a subjunctive sentence. In that case only you can join the sentence with two different subject pronouns. How do we take the endings of, how do we conjugate with the regular category? Just see the present tense with il, el, cut and te, and add the endings, okay? So s, eons, eoz, and te. Then we started with the exceptions. The first was être, the next is avoir. So how do we do in avoir? The starting is I, then s, I, and nous, vous, just now I shared it with you, that's somewhat similar. So again, this side, it's ayons, aïe. Do you remember ayons, aïe? L'imperative, it's also the imperative. And the last one is a, e, n, te. So starting is same. A, e, just the ending is n, te. So let's see a few verbs. Whose subjunctive will be puis. Puis. This is the word puis. and then you keep writing the endings. So P-U-I-S-S-E, and then next one will be A-S, then A, E-O-N-S, E-A-Z, and A-N-T. Similarly, fair will be fast. It will be fast, and then you write the endings. And then the next will be sash, and then you write the endings. Now let's see some other verbs in subjunctive. The next verb is le verb aller. So what happens in aller? The starting is A-E-double-L-N, A. Okay, wherever I mark a star, that means they are together. So ending will be same here. S, but nous and vous, it is a lion. A-double-L-E-A-Z. See, in the starting I wrote A-I-double-L first. And with nous and vous, A-double-L-I. Sava, and this one is always like this one. But the endings will be A and Te. So the next one will be vouloir. Vouloir again, the word will be vai. The same word that is there in imperative also. Ending this, as, you can write this first. J'espère que c'est clair. You can just see. So the endings are same. And nous and vous again, they're together. So it is just like the spelling of the verb. And there's also one thing that you can, notice. In present tense also it is voulant, voulait. So if any of the verb is an exception in present tense, it will be an exception in subjunctive also. Okay, so voulant, voulait, but here we write the endings of subjunctive. Voulions, vouliez. The last one, voir. Now voir, if we see in present tense, avec ill, it is this. Then we remove the endings. Okay, so the starting will be this. Then we write the endings. Now voir is also an exception in present tense. In present tense, it is voyons, voyez. So similarly, we are going to take the same thing. If it is an exception in present tense, it will be there in subjunctive also, but the endings will be of subjunctive, okay? So, E-O-N-S, E-A-Z, and the last one will be this. Keep practicing the conjugation, keep writing more. The more you write, the better it is. Bonne chance, I'm going to see you in the next video.